most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited for today's video because I have been waiting for this parcel to arrive all weekend, and basically, if you guys didn't know, it was Easter weekend, which means we have a bank holiday, we have Saturday, we have Easter Sunday, and then we have another bank holiday. So post and things tends to take a little while longer. Anyway, I'm rambling on about post. That is not the point. So I got an email from LUSH really recently, basically asking me if I would like to receive this collaboration, and obviously you guys saw my reaction to this collaboration. Like, I instantly said yes please, I would love to see it, and I am just so excited. I have not seen any of these in person, I have not smelt any of these items. Honestly, I am so excited. Anyway, basically in today's video we're going to be going through the LUSH collaboration with Hello Kitty, which I still can't get over. This collaboration is such a good idea. I am so excited to smell everything. I think the only thing we don't have is the perfume, which I have heard smells very similar to Snow Fairy. So if you are a Snow Fairy person, make sure you go and give it a smell. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. We are going to dive into this box. I have it here and we're going to open it up and go through all the products. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Do you know what? I have seen photos of this on Instagram and things because some people did get theirs a few days ago, and I cannot explain to you how beautiful the packaging is in person. I'm so tempted to keep it. It's so cute. Okay, let me just pull this out. This is going to go everywhere. Okay, let's just do it. Oh no. Okay. That's going all over my floor, just so you know. I'm sorry, but look at this. Is this not the most beautiful packaging you have ever seen? Like, how adorable is this? I absolutely love this packaging. This has got to be, dare I say it, my favourite packaging so far. I think it has to be. This is so cute. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Am I going to open it in one go? Probably not. Let's try. Oh. I mean, I've ripped it. Could have gone better, but we did it in one go, and this is what it looks like. Look how cute. That is actually the cutest thing. I love it. I want to keep the packaging. Okay, I'm too excited. Let's dive in. Inside the box, we have this beautiful card. I absolutely love this. It's got all the products inside and on the back. And inside as well, it says, "Life sweeter with friends. Some friendships just hit that sweet spot, and this collaboration is no different. Together, we've created the perfect recipe to bring you some seriously sweet handmade treats." I forgot to breathe. Take the tea party to the tub with a limited edition collection of freshly made fizzes, sweet scents, and much more. Ready to have your cake and wash with it too? This sweet range will be served up from the 7th of April. I am so excited about this. So obviously, as you guys are watching this video, you can buy this in store. I would love to know down below, what have you bought from this range? What were your thoughts? What were your opinions? And also, what is your favourite item? Because I'd love to know. And also, any of you guys out there that bought the perfume, do I need it? Would I like it? Let me know. Okay, let's dive into the products. Honestly, I cannot wait to smell these any longer. Oh, this is so cute. Actually unreal. This is the cutest thing. I can smell it already. That smell, it's Angel's Delight scented. That is so good. The only way I can describe this soap is, you know, the old-fashioned jelly, I'm salivating, the old-fashioned jelly babies. It smells like the taste of those. That is delicious. Okay, let's talk ingredients. So ingredients wise, in this one we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, tangerine oil, orange oil, agave syrup, muru butter, almond oil. It just smells incredible, and I'm sorry, but the look of this one is absolutely beautiful. It's like a piece of cake, which I just think is so adorable. Any of you guys out there have like a pink themed bathroom? Stock up on this. That smell, oh, the smell is so nostalgic. Angel's Delight soap was so good. I was actually really gutted when they got rid of it, but the only way I can describe it, it's a very sweet fruity fragrance. It's edible, it's mouth-watering, it is delish, and I really like I won't, but I want to. The next item we have is of course the shower gel. Again, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be so gutted when I use all this up because I'm going to have to get rid of the bottle. This is so cute. Let's go through the ingredients. So in this one we have got fresh strawberry infusion, fine sea salt, orange oil, patchouli oil, and benzoin resinoid and vanilla absolute. I am going to guess, is it going to be like a kind of American cream kind of smell? I'm not sure. Let's have a go. Oh, okay, wait. It's got sparkles in it. That's beautiful. I cannot even describe to you how much I want to just drink this. The only way I can describe it, imagine if Snow Fairy and American cream were combined, which sounds like a great idea. That's what this smells like. It's a really creamy, vanilla-y Snow Fairy smell. It is absolutely delicious. Honestly, I think if you like the smell of Snow Fairy, you will really, really love the smell of this one. It's got that sweet, edible kind of fragrance to it, which a lot of us do enjoy, and that smells incredible. I am just so impressed with this, and I definitely want to pick up a big bottle of that one. Okay, so now moving on to all of the bath items, which I am so excited about. So let's dig out this one first. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? How adorable. So this is the Milk Bottle Bubble Bar, and ingredients wise in this one it has got cream of tartar, cornstarch, buchu oil. It also has labdanum, I cannot say that word, labdanum resinoid. It also has cocoa absolute, almond essential oil. Let's give it a smell. Oh, wait. That's very interesting. It's not how I would imagine it smelling based on what it looks like, if that makes sense. You can definitely smell the patchouli. It has that really strong, almost earthy undertone to it, but I don't hate it. It's not a very mossy, woodsy scent because you have got kind of a creamy undertone to it, but it's definitely on that more earthy side. It's just not overpoweringly earthy, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's a lovely white bubble bar with a red M on the front and a little straw, like a little milk bottle. So cute. Oh, it's actually quite nice, which is surprising for me because normally me and patchouli we don't get on, but it's smelling familiar the more I smell it. It smells delicious though, so good. The next one is a bath bomb, and this is the Cinnamoroll Bath Bomb. I'm sorry, how cute is that? Why does that look like an adorable little dog with floppy ears? It is so cute. This one, in terms of ingredients, has things like almond essential oil, vanilla absolute, and cinnamon leaf oil. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, this smells really familiar. I feel like I saw Charlie's video where she said it smells like the magic of Christmas, but it's like magic of Christmas, but with a hint of something else. That is really good though, and I'm sorry, but this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. How adorable is that? So cute. Oh, delicious. Of course, we have the one which I am the most excited about, and this is the My Melody Bath Bomb. I absolutely love that Lush have a bath bomb named after me. I mean, it's not actually named after me, but a girl can dream. This is so cute. I love the look of this one. So in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got clary sage oil, vanilla absolute, lavender oil, benzoin resinoid, and I think that's basically it. Wow. Is that American cream scented? That smells like American cream to me, even though there's no strawberry in it, and it has lavender. Or is it Twilight? Wait. All the smells are merging into one currently. It's giving Twilight. It's gotta be Twilight. Honestly, I feel like they've named a bath bomb after me and made it smell like my favourite smell. That is absolutely delicious. It's not a very overpowering lavender. It's a very creamy, vanilla-y lavender. It must be Twilight. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I cannot speak. I feel like I'm losing my mind is what I was gonna say. Oh, that's delicious though. I absolutely love that. The next item is another bath bomb, and this is the Kuromi Bath Bomb. I think I've pronounced that correctly. This one is like the emo bath bomb of the collection, and I absolutely love it. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like benzoin resinoid, ylang ylang oil, and we also have tapioca pearl. This one smells familiar. Oh my god, the nose is sparkly. I'm sorry, that is so cute. Look how beautiful that is. This again smells familiar. I'll tell you what this smells like, and it's going to be really obscure unless you've ever used it, but years and years ago, the Oxford Street store had a like licorice soap. That's what this smells like. Do any of you guys remember that soap? I think I bought some and it was like a round, it kind of looked like Maypole where it was a big tube and they'd cut it, and I think it was like black and white. That's what this smells like. It's so good though. I absolutely love it, and you can see on the back as well it's gonna have some pink in there. Oh, delish, so good. And of course we had to save our main queen for last. This is the Hello Kitty bath bomb. Honestly, she is just perfect. I feel like you cannot go wrong with the OG Hello Kitty. I feel like she needs to be included in this range. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got things like orange oil, patchouli oil, benzoin resinoid, vanilla absolute, and tapioca pearl. I feel like she's got kind of a bit of everything going on. Okay, this one smells very unique. The only real way I can describe this fragrance is imagine a really beautiful, and you're gonna have to take what I'm gonna say with a pinch of salt, but imagine a really beautiful like grandma soap smell. Like, I know that sounds awful, it smells delicious, but that is the only way I can describe it. It's like a really generic soapy smell, but it's so fresh, it's so clean, it's really crisp, it's beautiful. Oh, that is lovely, and it's really, really fresh. Ooh, I think the bow is actually a bath melt as well. It's like a different texture, but that smells delicious. Oh, yum. Insane. So those are all of the items from the Lush Hello Kitty range that Lush have ever so kindly sent me. Honestly, again, every single time I get a PR package, not only do I feel so incredibly lucky and grateful for Lush even knowing who I am, but I'm just so incredibly grateful for every single one of you guys watching this video, because honestly it means the world, and if you guys weren't here this wouldn't be happening. So thank you guys so, so much. I would love to know down below, what are you picking up from the range? Let me know. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. I upload twice a week on this channel, a lot of Lush and book content, so if you like that kind of vibe, make sure you subscribe. That was a rhyme. Anyway, also if you guys want to pick up any of this collection, I always leave my Lush affiliate link down below. Honestly, it would make my day if you guys would use it. I do earn a small percentage, but if you guys don't want to, that is fine. I just thought I'd let you guys know it is down below. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.